Alright, so we fried the bacon and we made the dough with the bread machine. We spreaded it out. Put some yummy Prego meat flavored sauce. Chopped up some bell peppers, red bell peppers, and then crumbled the bacon. Put cheese on top. So you have dough, sauce, cheese, bacon bits. Real bacon that's been fried. Put it on 425, preheated. 20 minutes. Put the pizzas in. And here we go. Pizza time.